Hey guys, it's Mike, and today is May 10th. And quick, before we get started, just want to welcome anyone that this is your first time to our YouTube channel. Please kindly, I invite you to click the subscribe button below, ring that bell notification so you don't miss a video. All right, we're over 900 subscribers, so the contest is doing pretty good right now. Again, we're giving away a free Android watch. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're actually giving away 2. So if you're new, you're not a subscriber, hit that button, and so you don't miss out on any of our valuable content in the past and to come. All right, Integrity Wealth. A lot of people ask me questions. Hey, is Integrity Wealth still going? Yes, it is. I already opened this package today. I was kind of anxious to see what it was. I didn't know if it was my high ticket program or Lifestyle Mentors or if it was the $100 stamp program. So this was stamped on the May 7th. So, and it's got my name there. So, all right. So we open it up. Mr. Al, if you're watching the video, welcome aboard. And Mr. Al's got our flyer, ID number right here, 100. I'm 100. And he came in at the silver level. Sorry, bronze, silver, gold, platinum. So I forgot there for a second. But he came in at the silver level. So welcome, Mr. Al. We'll get your package sent out to you on Monday morning. And again, I just want to tell everyone, or thank everyone for subscribing. And you're making this contest possible by subscribing. And appreciate the comments on our last video. So if anyone has any questions about anything on high ticket sales, low ticket sales, if you were interested in our sales funnel and you want to plug into our sales funnel so you can earn high ticket commissions or low ticket commissions, just reach out to myself, or if you know one of our members, feel free to contact one of those guys. They'd be more than happy to help. And but right now, enjoy your Mother's Day weekend. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers that are watching. Fathers that play the role of a mother, happy Mother's Day to you too. And have a great weekend. See you at the top. Bye-bye.